Sometimes when you're using your computer, you need to do a little bit of troubleshooting to determine if maybe a setting you changed is causing the issue that you're facing. As we all know, software isn't perfect, but there are ways to determine if what we've done is causing some of the weirdness. The first place I start is by setting my software to factory defaults. And JAWS allows you to quickly toggle your settings back to the factory defaults so you can see if a setting you changed is impacting your experience. Let me demonstrate this to you. I've sped my JAWS up really fast. Well, some of you might not think it's that fast, but I sped JAWS up easily for you to be able to distinguish this difference. We'll start by pressing Windows key D. As you can hear, JAWS is talking fairly fast. If I press Alt-Tab and then read the title, you can easily hear that this is going pretty fast, and my computer isn't as wordy. So let me do JAWS key space. I use the caps lock key as my JAWS key, and we'll tap the letter Z for Zulu.
Default alternate user directory mode.
You can immediately tell a much slower voice, and when I press Windows key D,
Windows D, folder view, list view, Reaper left parent x64 right parent 33 of 38. To move to items, use the arrow keys. To edit the selected item, press F2.
You heard a lot more verbosity, including how to manipulate the item on this desktop, and you also heard the keys that I pressed, Windows key D. If I tap Alt-Tab,
task switching, left bracket unsaved project, right bracket left bracket proj 1/2 right bracket dash Reaper v7.20 dash evaluation license. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. So as you can see, my settings are set back to default and I'm getting all of the verbosity that I wasn't receiving. This is a good step to use when you're trying to troubleshoot what's going on and why can't I do something that I'm trying to do, or why is an application not working as anticipated. It could be that that application, website, or tool is not accessible, but if you'd like to see if it's a setting you changed, JAWS key space followed by Z space
up will toggle your JAWS default settings on or off.